Now, this is part 3. Here's Seashell Turtle as a Thomas and Friends character from the Looney Tunes show. I made the evil face, which is he's the villain in the show. There we go. With the number 1502. With the silver linings, the gold boiler, the gold for the boilers, and the whistle in the windows. Pretty cool. Pretty cool buffers. That gives me an idea. Next is 70 Sam, or Sam, as a Thomas and Friends character. Painted all red, with black linings, with the nameplate Sam, with the number 102. And he runs pretty well. Hold on. There we go. Next is Tina as a Thomas and Friends character. I paint the colors, the one that she wears in the TV show, with the number 100. Nameplate on the side plates, Tina. Yellow cow catchers. Here's the face, and he runs pretty well. Yeah, you could probably tell this one is clay wheels on it. And here's the back. Next is Martin as a Thomas and Friends character with a good smiling face. All green painted. And he runs pretty well. Oh, I'll change the battery soon after this video. Next is me as a narrow gauge engine. I look like Duncan. Here's my name, 55. Here's my number, with black linings, the red all over. And here's the 55 in the back. There we go. Runs well. Then I move the wheels. There we go. Next is Lola Bunny as a Thomas and Friends character. I painted all her gold with the 101 on the side, which is she was a gold stirring single engine with the white buffers, with exciting face in front. So, coming soon to my video of my adventures of the Looney Tunes show. Next is Daffy Duck as the Thomas Friends character. Gothic paint, silver dome, gold lightnings, the wheels, and the number on the tender, 36. Next, Thomas and Friends animated series villain in the end of the episode, Dr. Megatrain. Out of Trackmaster Murdoch. Pretty cool. Detail the boilers, the tender, and he looks pretty evil. I met Dr. Megatrain from last year. Next is Oil-Covered Salty from Away from the Sea, one of the greatest moments. With the wheels goes round, pretty neat. Next is Trackmaster Neil the Homicidally 2. Ooh, pretty scary. Looks evil. On the smokestack, it wasn't paint. It was supposed to be blood. Pretty creative. And he runs pretty well since I put the red clay on the dots and detailed the wheels painted gold and black. Next is Henry Sees Red. One of the greatest moments in Railway Series book. His boiler, the wheels, the cab, and the cylinder. Pretty all red. Pretty cool. I made that in 2009. Next is custom made or homemade, the fake Trackmaster patchwork hero. From the one of the greatest moments movie, Hero of the Rails. Hold on. Well, don't you worry about that. I'm pretty sure my old Trackmaster hero is fine. If you don't believe me, here's Trackmaster hero, and I finally got him. So, this is part 3. Next, part 4.